One ChatGPT prompt that replaces your weekly status report. How to AI professional. Every Friday afternoon, millions of professionals write the same email. Here is what I did this week. Some use bullet points. Some write paragraphs. Almost all of them hate it. Here is how to never write a status report from scratch again and why one prompt changes the entire workflow. The problem with status reports is not the writing. It is the remembering. You sit down on Friday and try to recall what happened on Tuesday. You remember the main meeting. You forget the Slack conversation that changed the requirement. You miss the debugging session that took 3 hours. Your report is incomplete by default. The solution is a small habit shift. At the end of each workday, paste a raw summary of your day into a running document. Do not format it. Do not polish it. Just dump it. 1 to 3 lines. Bullet points. Whatever you remember. On Friday, you take that raw log and feed it to a single prompt. Here is the exact prompt I use. You are a professional executive assistant. Given the raw daily notes below, write a concise weekly status report. Structure it as 1-sentence summary, key achievements and bullet points, blockers or risks, and next week's priorities. Tone, professional but direct. Do not add information not present in the notes. Then paste your daily dumps below it. The output is a polished report in about 8 seconds. But here is where it gets interesting. If you use a workflow automation tool like N8N or Make, you can automate the entire cycle. The AI receives your daily log from a shared document or Slack channel. It stores the weekly report in a database. It even emails the formatted report to your manager on Friday at 4 p.m. I recorded the time difference. A manually written status report took me 22 minutes on average. The AI version takes 45 seconds of input spread across the week. That is a 96% reduction in time spent. But the real value is not the time saved. It is the consistency. The AI never forgets a blocker. It never skips a deliverable. And because the daily dump is raw and immediate, the weekly report is actually more accurate than the one I used to write from memory. Every status report from now on starts with a daily dump. That is the only habit you need. The prompt does the rest. If you want to go further, automate the email step. But start with the prompt. It works alone.